Back to the channel. Today is September the 16th, 2024. Just wanted to do a quick AWS weekly recap on basically what's turned out to be pretty breaking news for this week so far. This came out of TechCrunch, and you can see this on any of the other technical channels or blogs, but Amazon's CEO, Andy Jassy, has mandated a 5-day return to office work week. So as you know, during the pandemic, a lot of companies, especially a lot of the big tech companies, went all hybrid, and they basically scaled up with their staffing. So it looks like we can see from several of the big tech layoffs. So Cisco, Meta, several others have been laying off people starting at the beginning of last year. That continued on into this year. So I believe this is another technique that Amazon is going to use to kind of reduce staffing by mandating a full 5-day work week in the office, and this mandate goes into effect in 2025. I believe, from what I've read, I think employees have until March of next year to comply with what's being asked for them here. And here, basically on the About Amazon website, you can see the full memo that was sent out to Amazon employees via email. So I'll let you I'll put this link down in the chat. In the description. But basically, what Jassy is kind of toting is that he's noticed that since the team has grown tremendously, that there's a lot of bureaucracy, and it's actually become difficult for the organization to get things done. So one thing he's hoping to get with this all in office collaborative effort is faster turnaround time, less less bloat with all of the levels. So they're going to basically try to flatten the company structure a little bit. So one other thing I thought that was interesting was that you wouldn't expect this from one of the big tech companies, but basically he's kind of said that they waste a lot of time with meetings. So you'll have a pre-meeting for the pre-meeting going into the decision meeting. So if you've worked in tech for any amount of time, you know this is probably one of the biggest ways to waste time is with meetings. And meetings cost money because you have a lot of people sitting around that could be writing code or doing their real job besides meetings. So this should be interesting to kind of see what comes out of this. But I think this is kind of the future for some of these big tech companies. Is that they are going to want more people to be back in the office. Also, this could be a caveat to a lot of these tech companies, because since the pandemic, a lot of people have become accustomed to working remote majority of their time, and then they've kind of built their lives around that. So I think what you're going to see is a lot of people exiting the organization, seeking employment that continues to allow them to work remote, as they've kind of already built their new life around their work opportunities. So hope this video has been beneficial to you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.